Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dagny. Today we are doing single swag box. This is the December's box. Super late. Actually, it's not that late. Well, kind of. We are on the 4th already. Stupid COVID, right? But before we get into this beautiful box, I'm so excited. I just want to say Happy New Year, and I hope your Christmas was great, and yeah, let's do it. If you don't know what single swag is, it's like a kind of like a lifestyle box. I think it's monthly, and I think it's $39.99 in the States, and I paid about $60 to get this box. I want to say that's right. But it's got all sorts of amazing products, and I loved it. I love the spoilers for it. Hopefully I got everything that was in there. But this is what it looks like when you open it. And then we've got a card. Ooh, products, retail value on the back. And then it also says win your next box. Post a photo of your box on Instagram or Facebook and tag @singleswag. We pick a winner each month. Very nice. So that's really exciting. So I'll refer to the card for the prices and talk about the products if I need to. Oh my goodness. Looks like some exciting stuff in here. I want to pull these out first because they're cute. We got another pair of, I believe, socks. Keep your feet cozy and comfortable at home or on the go with these stylish, long-lasting socks produced with certified organic combed cotton, whatever that is. Got cute little palms on them, and they're pink. I love pink. These are worth $16. That's not bad. Let's take them out and check them out. Ooh, they feel really nice. Oh, yeah, just one pair. These look really nice. Cute little pink socks. They feel nice, stretchy. Ooh, these have grips on the back too. Didn't the other ones I got in that one box have grips on the back so they didn't slide down? Sweet, I can't wait to check these out. All right, let's move on to the next product I see, which is this. Oh, that sounds good. This is Sui. I don't know how to say that name, if you can see it. Hopefully you can. It's a brand that I'm pretty sure I've seen in Walmart. I've never seen this stuff though. But it is replenishing cucumber mist. What does the thing say? An invigorating mist formulated with an infusion of nutrient-rich botanicals and cucumber essential water to revive dull skin. Oh, sorry. Tired skin. Tired skin. Aloe vera and cucumber both enrich in essential vitamin and minerals, deliver a cooling boost of hydration. Skin is left feeling refreshed and revitalized. Worth $20. I actually really want to open this and try it. Oh, it leaked. I can smell cucumber. That's okay. Hold on. Let me grab a wipe. 1 second. Okay. Let's clean this baby up. Thank God they have plastic. Otherwise, it might have ruined like everything else in this box, which would have made me sad. Oh. It's just like coming out everywhere. It's like oh no, it's liquidy. For some reason I thought it was like a gel, almost like a gel, but it's not. Goodness, let's just clean up this mess and then try this product out, shall we? All right, let's see. Oh my God, that smells like a spa in a bottle. Sorry if you heard the thunk. I don't know what that was. Probably my kid, you know, doing something. Oh, I gotta clean out this lid, but that smells amazing. It's a good brand. I've used some masks by this brand too. Sweet. Super pumped for that. I have rose water. That's probably kind of the same, but that smells really good. Really, really good. Okay, anyway. Next product. What do we got? Belgian Boys Cocoa Stroop Waffle. Authentic Dutch chocolate caramel waffle. A taste of Holland. There's one little cookie in here. I don't know if I said any of that right. But that's exciting. That's one thing I like about this box is they do add a little treat in here, and it's worth $4. It says, dipped in real Belgian chocolate, this delicious treat contains gooey caramel sandwiched between two crunchy waffle cookies, non-GMO, no corn syrup, containing no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. Sounds good to me. I'll give this a try after. Moving on to the next one. Ooh, pomegranate scented bath bomb, sea minerals. This little bundle of joy combines the relaxation of aromatherapy with rich skin soothing ingredients. Goddess bath bomb, turn your bath time into a mini retreat you so deserve. That is so cute. That is so cute. What are these worth? Let's see. These are worth $18. Ooh, let's pop it open and see if we can smell what it smells like. I like checking that out. I like to know the smells. And I love bath bombs. Oh my gosh, I have like I have so many. I have, ooh, that smells so good. I have so many bath bombs. And they're tiny. They're little tiny bath bombs that are so cute. They smell really, really good, by the way. All right, I'm excited. I love the product you get in these boxes. All right, next product I see. Ooh, it's in a plastic bag. I believe it's a wristlet. What do we call this? Sienna May. Oh, I like that brand. I've got a few things from her now. Her, or if it's a guy, I'm not sure about the brand. Sorry. It's called Blakely wallet with detachable wrist strip. I'm in love with this peach color. Oh, it's gorgeous. What do we got? Oh, there's the strap it comes with. Very cute. Very adorable. Oh, I like a good wristlet. I have just a card holder in my purse right now too, because like, you just don't need too much, right? Also comes with like a keychain thing. That's really cute. Oh, I can't wait to use this. That's adorable. And this one is worth $38. Not bad. Not bad so far, hey? All right, what do we got next? I'm excited. Super excited. What do we got? Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics. Oh, a glow primer. I just got a glow primer, did I not? Yeah. I just got this one. Glow Drops by Jekka Black. I don't know how to say it. What box was that in? Look fantastic? Yeah, that might be right. But this is cool. I've actually used jelly. Is it Jelly Pong Pong? Yeah. Non-sticky revitalizing primer that gives your skin a subtle glow. I'm not much for a glow because I've got oily skin. But I will try it. Let's check it out. Oh, it's in a box. And then it's in plastic. Do we need that much packaging? What a waste. Yeah, I think I've gotten this brand, I want to say in an Ipsy bag before. Ooh. Just a white cream, no smell. Not really sparkly or anything. Oh, it does get, oh, there's lots of shine to it, that's for sure. Cool. Oh, you know what? It's vegan. No gluten, no mineral oil, no parabens, no something flattates. horrible. And with peach kernel oil and orange fruit extract. Nice. Nice. I don't know what that word says. No idea. If you know, you can tell me. Interesting. All right, what do we got next? What is this? Oh, did I tell you the worth of this one? The primers, this one's worth $18. What do we have here? Gemma Simone. Aqua beaded. What is that word? Lariat? A chic, trendy layered necklace with a pop of color will be your new go-to all year round. 2 layers of rose gold chained with a pendant and aqua bead accents add style any look to outfit. Ooh, let's check this out. I like the packaging. Very sleek. And this packaging, very pretty. Ooh. Oh my God. It's gorgeous. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's all tangled. Oh, no, not too bad. That is a really pretty necklace, you guys. Oh, I love it. I love anything rose gold. It just makes my heart happy. All right, this bracelet, necklace is worth $64. Wow. Kind of pricey. Let's see if I can clip it on real quick. What do we think? I think it's really pretty. I have a mirror right here. Huh, that is different. I've never seen anything like that before. All right. Cute. Okay, on to the last product, which of course you should get in December because it's the end of the year and you're gonna need a new planner for the next year, which I'm actually really excited about because I don't have one. Excuse me, my nose is itchy. But this is the Molly Jacob? Molly? Oh, M-O-L-L-I-E. I'm sorry, I don't know how to say that. Molly Jacob Planner 2021. Thank God we're not in 2020 anymore. Oh, what a mess that year was. Planner and calendar worth $24. I like it. It says dream big, be grateful, laugh a lot, and love yourself. And it's like, oh, it's a sky. You guys, it's sky. Clouds in the blue sky. Gorgeous. Love it. Let's check the inside. What do we got? Oh, tells us holidays. That's nice to know. And then what do we got? Ooh. That's really cute. Okay, so this is how it lays it out. Actually really simple and I really like it. But on the next page too, it gives you 2 pages for notes if you want to write anything down. Okay, so this one, did I say it's worth 24? I can't remember. But that one is worth 24. And now I don't have to calculate because this handy dandy card tells you at the bottom, the retail value of this box is $202. And I paid, what did I pay? $60. And these are some pretty good products. I'm really excited about them. And I really like this necklace. Anyway, you tell me what you thought of this box in the comments. And I hope you liked it as much as I did. And yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. And I hope you have a fantastic evening. Bye.